Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I am gonna tell you about how to fix this Hey Google not working problem in your smartphone. So how you can fix it? First friends, you have to restart your device, click on settings, scroll down, and here are applications. Tap on applications and you will see a search button. Here you can see, here you have to write G, you can just write here assistant Google, and as you can see friends, here it is the Google Assistant. You have to just clear cache this, click on storage, clear cache, clear data, and give all the permission. After that you can see, long press the home button and say, hey Google, open YouTube. So okay, this is an airplane mode is enabled. Hey Google, open YouTube. You can see open Wi-Fi settings. So you have to you
need to connect to a Wi-Fi network or install a SIM card first.
So you can see it is working now. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.